Alright, so we finally got some decent weather, and see, I got all my sand hauled over. I got my trusses and my poles and the rest of my lumber dropped off today. I'm going to start putting on my batter boards and square up this layout and start punching some holes with the auger and get my poles up. In this video I'm going to show you just how I brought that sand over, and we used a couple different pieces of equipment to level this out here, and just because I had it available and it was just fun to use it. So anyways, keep watching and stay tuned. Next video I'll be putting poles in the ground and putting the roof on.